In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock text boxes in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is a text box. I want to lock this. To lock this thing, at first we need to select this object. So like here, we clicked and then everything will be selected. That means this text box will be selected and we'll see a small rectangle like box is appeared. Now we need to click arrange and then we can press the lock button to lock this thing. There is another way we can lock this thing. So once we select the text box, then right side we'll see format. If the format sidebar is not there, just click here, it will bring the format sidebar. Now we need to go to the last tab, which is called arrange. I'm going to click here and arrange related information will be there. Now here you will find the lock button is there. We just need to click here, and after clicking that button you will see we cannot modify it anymore. We cannot even move this thing. Whatever we want to do, we cannot do. That means it's locked properly, so that we cannot do anything. To do any modification or to change the position, we need to unlock this like object first and then we can do. And that's it. In this way we can easily lock text boxes in Apple numbers.